In a world where health-conscious decisions are becoming more critical than ever, some families are taking matters into their own hands, literally. Across the United States, households are discovering the joys and benefits of home gardening, cultivating their own fruits and vegetables to ensure they have access to fresher, healthier food options. But here's the kicker. This isn't just about saving money or eating better. It's about reclaiming control over what you put on your plate. And this is the part most people miss. It's also an investment in long-term well-being and sustainability. Why are families making this shift? For starters, much of the produce found in grocery stores travels staggering distances before it reaches your kitchen. On average, fruits and vegetables journey over 1,500 miles to get to consumers. During this lengthy process, nutrient levels can decline due to exposure to heat, light, and time. Additionally, concerns about pesticide residues and even microplastics have raised questions about the safety and quality of store-bought produce. According to the U.S. Department of Agriculture, nearly 60% of the fruits and vegetables sold in American grocery stores are imported, often spending up to 2 weeks in transit. This delay not only impacts taste, but also reduces the overall nutritional value of the food. Enter initiatives like Edible Landscapes, a nonprofit organization based in Orlando, Florida, that's empowering families to transform their unused lawns into thriving gardens. Growing your own food is one of the most powerful ways to take charge of your life, says Alexander Luna, the Chief Program Officer at Edible Landscapes, https://ediblelandscapesfl.org. The organization provides resources and guidance to help families create sustainable, productive gardens right in their backyards. Take Jason Victor's family, for instance. They're among the many who've embraced this movement with open arms and shovels. The other day, we pulled up a carrot from our garden, and my kids couldn't stop smiling. Jason shares, carrots have quickly become their favorite snack. Stories like these highlight how gardening doesn't just feed the body. It brings families closer together and fosters a deeper appreciation for nature. For those new to gardening, Luna offers practical advice to ease into the process. One key tip? Start small. A modest 4x8-foot raised garden bed can yield over 100 servings of fresh produce in a single growing season. Not only does this translate to significant savings, potentially over $600 annually on groceries, but it also ensures you have access to pesticide-free, nutrient-rich food. Another essential factor is sunlight. Most plants require 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily to thrive. But the benefits of gardening extend far beyond financial savings. Research conducted in blue zones, regions around the world known for having high concentrations of centenarians, people living to be 100 or older, reveals that gardening is linked to numerous health advantages. Regular gardeners tend to live longer, experience lower stress levels, and maintain higher activity levels well into their 90s. It's no wonder that digging in the dirt has been called therapy for the soul. As more families adopt home gardening practices, they're contributing to something much bigger than themselves, a more sustainable food system. By reducing reliance on imported produce and cutting down on transportation emissions, these efforts help protect the environment while promoting healthier lifestyles. It might start as a small step, Luna reflects, but it can grow into something transformative, not just for individuals, but for communities as a whole. Of course, not everyone agrees on the feasibility of home gardening for every household. Critics argue that urban dwellers or those with limited space may find it challenging to implement. Others question whether the time and effort required outweigh the benefits. What do you think? Is home gardening a practical solution for modern families, or is it an idealistic trend that's difficult to sustain? Share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear your perspective. This story originally aired on Wish TV and was adapted for online publication using AI-assisted tools. Our editorial team ensures all content meets rigorous standards of accuracy and fairness. Health Spotlight is proudly presented by Community Health Network. https://www.ecommunity.com